Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Anna, I'm a dietitian and I work for HealthWISE in Armidale. Today I'm going to be cooking with you and I'm going to be making some delicious chocolate hazelnut bliss balls. So to start with, we're going to base the bliss balls on some medjool dates. And I've got about a cup here. You can also use the dried dates, but these tend to be a little bit juicier. The other ingredient I've got, because I'm going more for like a Ferrero Rocher style, is some natural hazelnuts. And I've got about half a cup of those. The last ingredient is just 100% pure cocoa powder, and I'll probably put in maybe 2 tablespoons of that, depending on how chocolatey you like it. Grab your cup of dates and pop that into the blender, food processor, whatever you have that will blitz this all up. Half a cup of hazelnuts. And last ingredient is the delicious cocoa powder. So sprinkle that in evenly. And then you blend. So, as you can see, after about a minute, it'll start to form into one big ball, or kind of like a dough, which I'll show you. Looks like this, as the dates start to stick to the hazelnuts. And just give it another minute or 2. Okay, so now you can see the consistency is all combined together. And I did have to actually add a few more hazelnuts because it was a little bit sticky. But you just grab out the dough and roll it into a nice round ball. And there's your ball. So they're all rolled out and it makes about 10 to 11 balls, depending on how big you like them. They're really, really tasty. They taste like Ferrero Rocher. And they're full of really great fibre as well, and they're going to keep you really full. So super handy if you want to just pop 1 or 2 in your lunchbox and have them as a snack. And there you go, some 3 ingredient bliss balls.